Honestly, I didn't realize how strong I was until I actually met Daniel and he brought that out. And this is a journey that we're walking together.
When I was 11 years old, I was diagnosed with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. My heart would race really like 200 BPM.
He makes me laugh. He's pretty much my safe space. We were foodies, so we loved to go out and eat. We would go to music concerts until 5 months into dating. He started feeling bad, but he wouldn't show me those signs.
I was going to the hospital almost monthly because my heart was out of rhythm. I was getting really scared. I ended up in the hospital for a long stay.
We were still weighing our options between a heart transplant versus an LVAD. And I did my research on like what an LVAD looked like, what it looked like inside of a person. And I was like, okay, like this is something I've never seen before. When I went to talk to Daniel, it was a time where we were, okay, we need to make a decision now. In the end, Daniel actually told me, like, I'm so glad I get to keep my own heart.
I'm glad I got the LVAD. This is life-saving technology. I have the confidence now I can do everything with my mind set to and with the LVAD assisting me.
I want to advocate for other care partners because you're not in this journey alone. Just knowing that in this world, we have people, human connections, and we don't go through these things alone. I saw my role more as a care partner after the LVAD. I got to the mindset of knowing that this was gonna be a challenge, but I didn't want to make it feel like it was gonna take a hold of my life. But it wasn't something that made me scared for our future. It made me be stronger in myself mentally and physically because I wanted to be there for him. It was more like I'm so happy and grateful that he's here with me by my side.